Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install GitHub Copilot CLI on Windows. So let me show you step by step. So let's go to the browser and go for GitHub CLI. And here you can see cli.github.com. So click this link. Now we'll actually click here download for Windows. Now we'll actually install it. So I'll actually go to the downloaded folder. Now we'll actually install it. So double click on it, click next, then install. Finish. We have successfully installed it. Now let's go back to the browser, and here you will find this section called manual. So click here and you will come to this page. From here you have to run this gh. So go to the CMD, open it and run here gh auth login. Hit enter. Now where do you use GitHub? So we'll actually go to the github.com and hit enter. Then HTTPS. Then authenticate Git with GitHub credential. We will say yes because we will actually log into our account. So say yes. And now hit enter to log in with the browser. Hit enter to open the browser. And here you have to log into your GitHub account. So I'm going to go with my GitHub account. Sign in. Continue. You can see first copy of your one-time code. So we are going to copy this. So the code is D501, D501, then 6CA6, 6CA6. Now click in the continue button. Click here authorize GitHub. Your device is now connected. So go here you can see. Now we're going to install Copilot CLI. Now open command prompt. Now here you have to say gh extension install github /gh -copilot. I already installed it. Here you can see extension Copilot is already installed, but in your case it will show here installed. It means you have successfully installed GitHub Copilot CLI in your PC.